Guys, I've been sitting here playing with the new cat tool drill kit that I got. Now I'm going to tell you, if you can get this for under $200 or for this deal that I got it for $100, buy it. Okay, it's not the most powerful, it's not the fastest tool. They're not the fastest, they're not the most powerful, they're not a Milwaukee or a DeWalt or a Metabo, but the impact's actually pretty comparable to the Metabo impact. And I tell you one thing, it beats out the Ryobi, and it probably would give the Ridgid a really damn good run for its money. But fit and finish, nice. The handles are ergonomic. Just the rubber on the grip sucks balls. It's just like the Milwaukee sucks balls. But for power to weight ratio, these things are awesome because they're light. Like that drill is lighter than the Milwaukee Impact. And they're smooth. Like these things drive through so smooth. Like here, I'll show you the drill first. Like the Metabo and Festool are a very smooth drill, and if you're a professional, you'll understand what I mean by smooth. When you're using the drill, you can feel it. I gotta get a battery. Just give me a second. Okay. Where are you? Oh, you're over here. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I got a battery in the drill. But just listen to it and watch it. Let me. Like, look at there's like the vibration. And she's quiet too compared to the other drills. Like the frequency is down there. But she's so smooth and she's light. Like so light. Like I know it's got a little battery, but like I take the batteries off and I weigh the tools without the batteries. These things are phenomenal. Like power to weight ratio is awesome. They're pretty comfortable, like ergonomically. Fit and finish is nice. Now, as for durability, I have to give you an update in 6 months and a year from now, see where they're at. I'll work them. I'll make them work as hard as these tools have. I'll make them earn their keep. But so far, I'm actually pretty impressed. I placed them in around the Ridgid area for strength and power. Fit and finish is actually really good. I put it at the Milwaukee level for fit and finish. The chuck is actually pretty decent on the drill. Like it's sad that it only came with little 2 amp hours because the 2 amp hour batteries are no match for the high outputs and like the batteries that I have. So I'm gonna redo the test again with I'm gonna get a 4 amp hour or maybe a 5 amp hour for one of them for doing the tests. But so far I'm actually gonna give them a thumbs up. If you can get this kit for under $200 or like I did for $100 Canadian, brand new, I'd go for it. Do it, man. For a DIYer or just a second drill and impact to have in your car or your camper or in your garage, it's worth it. So far, I'm gonna give these things a thumb up. They're not the most powerful, they're not the fastest, but I'm gonna give them thumbs up because fit and finish, sound, volume, and how smooth they are. Like these things are smooth. Like the impact is like smooth. Like the amount of vibration that it gives off. Like it's got very little vibration. Like she's smooth. Like, and they're light. Like that's the other thing that I like about them. Like they're light and they got good power for the weight of them. And so yeah, that's my thoughts and opinions of the cat tools right now. But yeah, if you can get this kit for under $200 Canadian or 180 US, I'm gonna say it's a good buy for that price. But time will tell the truth, and I'll let you know in a couple months and then in a year where they're sitting. But so far, I thought I was going to be disappointed. I thought these were going to go into the garbage can with the Makita tools and the Ryobi tools that I've had in the past that I bought for stupid reasons. But no, these are actually going to go on the shelf next to next to my Milwaukees and my Metabos. They're going to go on the shelf. I'm happy with them. For the price that I paid, $100, They're friggin' sweet, and even for $200 for this kit, it's nice. It's a good deal. In my opinion, it's a good deal. Because, like, I'm not about speed and power. I like quality. I like durability. And I like tools that operate smooth, low vibration, quiet. And these things meet those needs so far. So, but I'll give you guys an update in a couple months. And I'll let you know. But I do more testing, but the Metabo keeps breaking my lag bolts. Metabo keeps breaking everything. Because drills never break fasteners. They never break fasteners, but Metabo seems to break them all the time. So, but yeah, I'll let you guys know in a couple months.